Next topic is the problems of small business. Everything has its pros and cons, right? It has its benefits, then again it has some problems as well. So small business, in spite of contributing so much to the economic development of or socio-economic development of our country, it faces certain problems as well. So this is the first problem which is faced by small scale industries or small businesses, the shortage of funds. We have already discussed that small scale industries or the business, they have inadequate finance, or there is a shortage of adequate finance for carrying out any business activity. Why? Because banks or other financial institutions, they don't provide financial help to such industries due to the lack of creditworthiness, plus the lack of collateral security. So these industries, they have to be dependent on the local finances or the local sources of finances, or they have to use their own finances to set up such industries. Second point or the problem is the shortage of raw materials, such as raw material is also purchased by the money, and such industries, they have inadequate finances or inadequate money. So such industries, due to the limited finance and lack of lack of storage facilities, due to the lack of storage facilities and the limited finances, they cannot afford to have their own warehouses, right? So they have limited finances, plus they don't have place to store, or the lack of storage facilities. That's why such industries, they cannot buy in bulk, because whenever we are doing or we are buying in bulk, we get some price concession or we get some sort of discount, which such industries, they cannot afford, right? So such industries, they cannot enjoy the economies of large scale buying. They don't enjoy the economies of large scale buying. Therefore such industries, what do? They sometimes they have to, because of this feature, sometimes they have to pay more if they have to buy the quality product or the raw material of good quality. They have to pay more, and if they are not getting the raw material in the available finance or the available money, if they are unable to afford the kind of raw material they require, right, what they'll do, they'll have to compromise with the quality, means they'll not be able to provide the quality product to the customers. Third one is the lack of latest technology. Such small scale industries, they have to be dependent on the outdated technology. Why? Because they don't have finance, they cannot afford to have modern or the latest technology, right? Again, they are compromising with the technology because of the inadequate supply of funds. And in such industries, the production is subject to the human error. Why? Because production is generally carried out by the labor force or the workforce, because such industries, they are labor intensive. Why? Because they don't have money to have or to get modern technology, so they have to get the work done by the human or the workforce. So that's why the production is subject to the human error. If they have skilled labor force, then obviously they'll have good production, right, and less wastage. But if they have unskilled laborers, so obviously the wastage of resources, the wastage would be there in the production process. So that leads to inability to get the modernized or the good technology or the modernized machines. Such industries, they generally face high cost of production. Fourth point is the shortage of power. They have to be dependent on the power which is supplied by the government, right? because they are unable to use full capacity of the plant and at their disposal. They are unable to use the full capacity of the plant at the at their disposal, because they cannot use their own power generators, because ultimately for that also they require money and they have insufficient funds in their hands. Fifth point is the labor problems. Such industries, small scale industries, they face labor problems because such industries, they are not able to attract skilled and competent workforce, because they are not able to pay good remuneration to such workforce. Such industries, if they have hired unskilled or incompetent workforce, then such industries, again due to the lack of funds, they are not able to provide sufficient or good training to such employees or the workers, right? And due to the unskilled laborers, right, or if laborers, they don't possess those skills which are necessary to produce goods, right? Employees, there is a less, there is a more wastage of raw material, and that leads to low productivity or high cost of production. Plus, the attrition rate is also very high, because laborers, they are not able to perform, they are not able to do their work efficiently and effectively. That's why there is a high rate of attrition, or you can say the high employee turnover, because if any competitor is providing or giving higher wages to such workers, obviously they will switch and they will join some other large scale industry. Sixth is marketing problems. The sixth point says the marketing problem. Such small scale industry or the businesses, they are unable to compete with the large industries for promoting, for doing advertising, or for distributing goods and services. Seventh is managerial skills. Such industries, they have lack of managerial skills. Why? Because small scale industries are considered to be one-man show, right, or proprietorship, or they require a small group of people to start small scale industries. That's why there is a lack of managerial skills. Eighth is quality, right? Again, such industries, small scale industries, they cannot compete with the large industries as far as quality is concerned, right? And such industries, they generally face difficulty. They face difficulty to come up to the global standard of quality. So they have to compromise with the quality things, again due to the lack of funds or the financial resources, right? They have, and that lack of funds, because of the lack of funds, they are not able to do proper market research to understand what their customer needs or the wants, right? So they are unable to have proper market research, plus they are not able to have right product development and improvement. Ninth point is the sickness. Ninth point is sickness. Small scale industries, they easily become sick. Why? Because of these factors. The first one is a lack of planning or lack of managerial skills, right? Because any person, whether skilled or unskilled, or can start small scale industry. So they have lack of planning and lack of managerial skills. Second, there is a due to lack of funds, there is availability of unskilled and untrained workers. Due to the lack of finances, as we just discussed, that such industries are not able to attract competent and skilled workforce. So they compromise with the skills and the trained workers. Third one is, generally the goods are sold through the middlemen, or goods are sold on credit, right? Goods are sold with the help of middlemen and goods are sold on credit, because they are not able to compete with the large scale large industries or large scale industries. And if goods are sold through middlemen or goods are sold on credit, then that leads to the less cash inflow and high cash outflow. That leads to short of working capital. Means again they have inadequate funds in their hand. Means money is going out, but due to the goods sold on credit, they are not able to have money inflow. That leads to the bad debts, that leads to the long recovery time, and such industries, they are not financially strong, so they are not able to cope up with the financial loss or the bad debts. So due to these factors, right, such industries, small scale industries, they are prone to become sick. So these are the various problems which small scale industries they are facing in our country. Thank you.